Hello everyone, remove a Flexi Gel set with me. Did you know that you can maintain your natural nail length under your Flexi Gel set? Absolutely. Firstly, snip away any excess length. I will be using a medium carbide bit for this removal. You can also use a nail file of 120 grit or lower. Use your nail file to buff away as much product as possible, being mindful not to file beyond your protective builder base. Using an e-file requires some experience, however, this is a quicker method of debulking your nail. You may also combine an e-file and file method for your removal. Cuticle oil is your friend and should be applied liberally to all of your nails to assist in your removal. Foil time, and using a plastic glove helps to generate warmth. 20 to 30 minutes later, use a scraping tool to lightly pull the gel product away from your nail. This should require minimal effort, and you may also choose to reapply your foil if this does not pull away with ease. My second round of removal is to break down the protective builder gel base. Shape your free edge and lightly buff away any excess product. Cuticle oil to end, and we are all done. I hope you enjoyed working with me. Until next time.